Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Oregon. Nestled in the Pacific Northwest, Oregon is a treasure trove of breathtaking landscapes and diverse attractions that beckon adventurers and nature lovers alike. From the rugged coastline along the Pacific Ocean to the majestic peaks of the Cascade Mountains, Oregon offers a stunning array of natural beauty that is simply unparalleled. Imagine standing on the edge of the iconic Crater Lake, the deepest lake in the United States, with its crystal-clear blue waters reflecting the surrounding cliffs. Or picture yourself wandering through the enchanting forests of the Columbia River Gorge, where cascading waterfalls like Multnomah Falls create a symphony of nature's sounds. Each corner of Oregon reveals a new wonder, whether it's the dramatic cliffs of the Oregon coast or the serene beauty of the high desert in Bend. But Oregon is not just about its landscapes, it's also a hub for unique experiences. From wine tasting in the Willamette Valley to exploring the vibrant arts scene in Portland, there's something for everyone. The state's rich cultural heritage and commitment to sustainability make it a destination that resonates with those seeking both adventure and mindfulness. Exploring Oregon's natural beauty is essential for anyone looking to reconnect with nature and discover the magic of the outdoors. Join us as we delve deeper into the wonders that await in this remarkable state, and let the journey inspire you to plan your own adventure in Oregon. Crater Lake National Park. Crater Lake is a true gem of the Pacific Northwest, renowned for its breathtaking beauty and captivating blue waters. As the deepest lake in the United States, Crater Lake reaches depths of over 1,900 feet, creating a stunning contrast against the surrounding cliffs that rise dramatically from its shores. The lake's vibrant blue hue is a result of its purity and depth, making it one of the clearest bodies of water in the world. Visitors are often left in awe as they gaze upon the shimmering surface, framed by the rugged cliffs of the caldera formed by a collapsed volcano. The park offers a wealth of recreational activities that allow you to immerse yourself in this natural wonder. Hiking enthusiasts can explore a variety of trails, ranging from easy walks along the rim to more challenging hikes that lead to breathtaking viewpoints. For a unique perspective, consider taking a boat tour on the lake, where you can glide across the pristine waters and learn about the park's fascinating geology and history. Crater Lake National Park is not only a visual feast but also a haven for wildlife. Keep an eye out for the diverse species that call this area home, including deer, elk, and a variety of bird species. The park's unique geological features, such as the remnants of volcanic activity and the stunning Wizard Island, add to its allure, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're hiking, boating, or simply soaking in the views, Crater Lake promises an unforgettable experience. Columbia River Gorge. The Columbia River Gorge is a breathtaking natural wonder that showcases the majestic beauty of the Pacific Northwest. This stunning canyon, carved by the Columbia River, is renowned for its dramatic cliffs, lush forests, and, most notably, its spectacular waterfalls. Among these, Multnomah Falls stands out as the crown jewel. With a height of 620 feet, it is the tallest waterfall in Oregon and one of the most photographed sites in the region. Easily accessible from the historic Columbia River Highway, visitors can enjoy a short walk to the viewing bridge, providing an up-close experience of the cascading waters. For those seeking adventure, the gorge offers a plethora of hiking trails that cater to all skill levels. The popular Eagle Creek Trail leads to several enchanting waterfalls, including Punchbowl Falls, while the more challenging Angel's Rest Trail rewards hikers with panoramic views of the gorge and the Columbia River below. Scenic viewpoints dot the landscape, allowing visitors to pause and take in the breathtaking vistas that stretch for miles. The Columbia River Gorge is also a haven for diverse flora and fauna. The temperate rainforest environment supports a rich variety of plant life, including towering Douglas firs, vibrant wildflowers, and lush ferns. Wildlife enthusiasts may spot deer, elk, and an array of bird species, including the majestic bald eagle. This unique ecosystem, combined with the stunning waterfalls and scenic trails, makes the Columbia River Gorge a must-visit destination for nature lovers and outdoor adventurers alike. Whether you're hiking, picnicking, or simply soaking in the views, the gorge promises an unforgettable experience. Oregon Coast. The Oregon coast is a breathtaking stretch of coastline that captivates visitors with its dramatic cliffs, sandy beaches, and charming coastal towns. This picturesque region is characterized by rugged shorelines that rise steeply from the Pacific Ocean, creating a stunning backdrop for exploration and relaxation. The interplay of towering cliffs and serene beaches offers a unique landscape that invites adventure and tranquility alike. One of the most iconic spots along the coast is Cannon Beach, famous for its striking haystack rock. This massive sea stack rises 235 feet above the shoreline and is a must-see for anyone visiting the area. The beach itself is perfect for leisurely strolls, beachcombing, or simply soaking in the stunning views of the ocean and surrounding cliffs. During low tide, visitors can explore the tide pools teeming with marine life, including starfish, anemones, and crabs, making it a fantastic spot for families and nature enthusiasts. The Oregon coast is also a prime location for whale watching, particularly during the migration seasons when gray whales pass by. Several viewpoints and guided tours offer opportunities to witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Additionally, the coastal towns, such as Astoria and Newport, provide a delightful mix of local shops, seafood restaurants, and cultural attractions, making them perfect for a leisurely day trip. Whether you're hiking along the cliffs, enjoying a beach bonfire, or exploring charming coastal towns, the Oregon coast promises an unforgettable experience filled with natural beauty and adventure. Mount Hood. Mount Hood stands as a majestic sentinel in the Cascade Range, serving as a year-round destination for outdoor enthusiasts seeking adventure and natural beauty. In the winter months, this iconic peak transforms into a winter wonderland, attracting skiers and snowboarders from near and far. With several ski resorts, including Timberline Lodge and Mount Hood Meadows, visitors can enjoy a variety of slopes catering to all skill levels. The reliable snowfall and well-groomed trails make it a prime location for winter sports, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape as you carve through the powder. As the snow melts and spring arrives, Mount Hood reveals a different kind of beauty. The summer months bring vibrant wildflower blooms, painting the meadows with a kaleidoscope of colors. Hiking trails abound, ranging from leisurely walks to challenging treks that lead to stunning vistas. The Timberline Trail, for example, encircles the mountain and provides hikers with panoramic views of glaciers, alpine lakes, and the lush forests below. Each season offers a unique experience, making Mount Hood a beloved destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Beyond its recreational opportunities, Mount Hood holds cultural significance for the indigenous peoples of the region, who have revered the mountain for centuries. Its towering presence and stunning views inspire awe and respect, making it a symbol of natural beauty and resilience. Whether you're skiing down its slopes in winter or hiking its trails in summer, Mount Hood promises unforgettable experiences and a deep connection to the great outdoors. Bend in the High Desert. Bend, Oregon, is a vibrant hub nestled in the heart of the high desert, offering a unique blend of stunning landscapes and outdoor activities that attract adventurers and nature lovers alike. One of the standout features of Bend is its thriving craft beer scene, with numerous local breweries that have gained national recognition. Visitors can explore the many taprooms and brewpubs scattered throughout the city, sampling a diverse array of craft beers, from hoppy IPAs to rich stouts. The annual Bend Brewfest is a must-visit event, showcasing the best of the local brewing community and celebrating the region's passion for craft beer. Beyond its beer culture, Bend is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. The area boasts an extensive network of mountain biking trails that cater to all skill levels, offering exhilarating rides through scenic forests and along the Deschutes River. For those seeking a more adrenaline-pumping experience, river rafting on the Deschutes provides thrilling rapids and breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape, making it a popular summer activity. Just a short drive from Bend lies Smith Rock State Park, a stunning destination renowned for its world-class rock climbing. The park's dramatic cliffs and unique geological formations attract climbers from around the globe, offering routes for both beginners and seasoned pros. With its picturesque scenery and diverse recreational opportunities, Bend and the high desert promise an unforgettable experience for anyone looking to immerse themselves in the beauty of Oregon's outdoors. Whether you're sipping craft beer or conquering a climbing route, Bend is a destination that truly has it all. In this video, we've taken you on a journey through the incredible wonders of Oregon, showcasing the state's diverse landscapes and unique experiences that await every traveler. From the breathtaking blue waters of Crater Lake to the majestic cliffs and waterfalls of the Columbia River Gorge, Oregon is a treasure trove of natural beauty. We explored the stunning coastline, where charming towns like Cannon Beach offer picturesque views and exciting activities, and we marveled at the year-round adventures available at Mount Hood, whether it's skiing in winter or hiking amidst wildflower blooms in summer. Bend in the high desert revealed a vibrant craft beer scene and thrilling outdoor activities, from mountain biking to river rafting, all set against a backdrop of stunning scenery. Each destination we highlighted offers something special, inviting you to immerse yourself in the rich culture and breathtaking landscapes that define Oregon. We encourage you to explore these amazing places for yourself and experience the wonders of Oregon firsthand. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a foodie, or someone seeking tranquility in nature, Oregon has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel content, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting adventures and insights into the beautiful destinations waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope to see you exploring the wonders of Oregon soon.